the most talked about movie event of the year. Witness the most intense, the most sensational, the most brutal film of all time. The Brutalist. Pretty well made, but quite befuddled by the lack of brutality from this self-proclaimed brutalist movie. The emotions get brutal. I did not expect that this is what they meant by the title.
It's unusual, even for you.
I found nothing brutal about this film. In fact, I can get real brutality with the raid films than this. Weak.
Foreign architect, shoveling coal here in Philadelphia.
False advertising. I expected Adrian Brody to ram somebody with his car or a brick or whatever. False advertising. No one blew up or was crushed in these buildings. Still more violent than the Conjuring movies.
When dogs get sick, they often bite the hand of those who fed them.
So brutally long. Spectacularly long. Too brutal, it killed my patience.
My buildings were devised to endure such erosion of shoreline.
Still better than the Avengers. The Brutalist in cinemas for now.